Hope in Action, Preventing Cancer and Embracing Early Detection on World Cancer Day. Imagine a world where every sunrise brings hope, and every sunset, a promise of a brighter tomorrow. That's our dream. On World Cancer Day, we come together, united in a common goal, to prevent and detect cancer early. It's possible. Prevention starts with small choices. Eating healthy, staying active, and avoiding tobacco can dramatically reduce cancer risk. Let's choose wisely. Early detection saves lives. Regular screenings and being attentive to changes in your body can lead to early intervention. Technology and research have brought us breakthroughs in diagnostics, making early detection more accessible than ever. It's a ray of hope. This World Cancer Day, let's spread awareness. Share your story, listen to others, and encourage loved ones to get screened. Together, we can turn the tide against cancer. By taking steps towards prevention and early detection, we are lighting the path to a brighter future.